Have you ever been in a meeting where you had no idea what they were talking about, but you were too scared to talk or too nervous to talk? Yes, I've been there a lot. Hi, my name is Anaga. I'm an international student from India, currently living in California. So today, I'll be talking about a word that genuinely helped me to communicate better in a professional setting. And the word is clarify. So, clarify means to make something more clearer or to explain something with no confusion. You can use it like this: could you please clarify what you meant by that? Or if you are writing a professional email, you can say that I just wanted to clarify on my earlier point that I meant Q1 or in an interview. You can say something like, just to clarify, are you asking about my technical skills or my project? It's such a useful word because it makes you sound more professional and it can help you avoid misunderstandings. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for such more tips. Thank you.